I often get asked about treatment plans and moving forward after testing. So today we're going to dive into that. So first thing is deciding which tests to use. But now that we're talking about testing moving forward, I thought we'd kind of back up a little bit to discuss testing options. So I just logged into my portal. Now, these are some of the labs that we use and the various companies. Now, some of my top favorites obviously are the hormonal health profiles, along with the gut health type profiles. We also have, along with these ones, if you're not familiar with this, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. And this is a great test to find out if that could be a problem for you. Then we also have nutritional profiles, along with different neurotransmitter testing. One of the great features of this particular test is the Cortisol Awakening Response. And what this is it gives us a little mini stress test in a sense to see how your body reacts. So what we'll like to see is a nice increase within that 30-minute to 60-minute window after waking up. So what we generally like to see is a nice increase in cortisol, and then slowly will dip throughout the day. And then after that, we should see a decline. Now, there are variances to this, of course, with every different person. So it's important to look at these individually on a case-by-case basis. So these tests are really great at picking up all of that. One of my favorite tests is the Dutch Plus test for various reasons. Now, if you've been struggling with hormonal imbalances or what you feel may be hormonal imbalances, this is an excellent test to zoom in on what might be going on. So as you can see, we are able to check your adrenal hormones along with your sex hormones. And moving down, we're able to also look at the metabolites, along with different androgen profiles, your free cortisol and cortisone, which is very important markers to assess. And we also can see your androgen levels, so the DHEA and how it relates to cortisol and their metabolites. So once we know what is happening with your hormones, we can set up a tailored treatment protocol. Another area to focus in on, which you may not have initially noticed, is that these are the various points of the cortisol that was taken in the saliva. So we can see in the morning that they're actually, in fact, in the high end of the range. Then they bump down to within range, and you can see again that it bumps back up. And once again at night, it goes back within range, and again outside of the range or on the higher end. So once we know what is happening with your hormones, we can then target it appropriately. So that often includes tweaks to your lifestyle, so things like stress management, along with changes to diet, and looking how we can really boost the nutritional profile of the foods that you're consuming and eating on a daily basis, along with supplementation to fill any of the nutritional gaps and to really help you get your nutrients in line. So you may be struggling with menopause, and we're looking to target and help balance hot flashes, so we will tailor all of that appropriately. And if you're curious about this testing, please leave a message in the comments letting me know what you think of this. Do you think you'd benefit? Have you ever had this test done before? Comment below. And if you're new to finding my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out new videos every week regarding gut health and hormonal health balance. And of course, if you found this video useful,
better say something that would change my mind. Gotta give me something, 'cause